Alright YouTube, now I'm gonna make a video of my exhaust. I'll give you a clip of what it sounds like, stuff like that. Pretty much what my exhaust consists of is clear image automotive, tri-Y, 2 headers with their cats that they give you, or you have to buy them separate. But pretty much what my exhaust consists of, I got it dumped before the rear end, and then I have, there's the headers, there's your cats, and I got it 2.5 inch all the way to an X pipe, and then I have it dumped before the rear end there, angled out, and I'll go ahead and start it up and let you hear what it sounds like. Alright, that's just headers and cats, no mufflers, just straight out the back, X pipe, 2.5 all the way. If you have any questions, just comment and I'll answer them the best I can.